Hi guys, welcome to another live trading session with Optionables. I'm Saket and today we are going to take a look at the trades taken on 28th of April, which is a Wednesday, and review them. So before we start off with the video, there are a couple of things I would like to tell. First of all, in case if you are not aware of what is happening in your background, so here basically what you're seeing is the live trade going on, played at a speed of almost 50x. So the entire recording is played at the speed of 50x. We have recorded for totally 3 hours and it is played at 50x. So that's the reason you find the screen moving pretty fast. And next, if you are not aware of where to look at, so bottom of your screen, not exactly bottom, towards center bottom of your screen, there is a column called as M2M. So the M2M column shows the total profit or loss for the trade. And before continuing what exactly we did the trade, so please do make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because it will encourage us to come up with more such content and show our daily trades as well. So we want to be as transparent as possible. That's the reason whether it's a profit or a loss, we tend to post the video. And there's also links to Telegram channel, Instagram, Twitter in the description below. So make sure that you join those channels as well. So now moving on to the actual trade. So today market opened quite flat, so there was not a huge up move, neither there was a huge down move. It was mostly on the positive side itself. So market opened around 100-150 points positive when it opened, and then we saw some good buying coming in right after the market opened. So in the pre-opening it was not signaling a big up move, but even SGX Nifty was not signaling a very big up move. But right after the market opened, we saw some huge buying coming in, and this continued entire day. So till 3:30, we saw market continuously heading upwards, and thanks to financials. So we had Bajaj Finance coming out with excellent results, and that's the reason the stock rallied almost 8%. We also had Axis Bank, which came out with very good results. Today, Kotak and HDFC too surged. So when all the big names surge, there's nothing which can stop Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty too rallied around 3%. So Bank Nifty was underperforming from a long time, and today it has almost caught up for all the underperformance. So now we will come to the trade and exactly look at what happened. So we took the trade around 12:30. That's when we started taking our first trade. So after we took the trade, so it was an up move throughout the day. So there was nothing which was stopping the up move. As you guys already know, we usually take 3 trades, and for people who are joining in new, so we usually take 3 trades, one at 12:30, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And if there's a V-shaped move after that, then we are going to go to loss. If it's a single directional move or a range bound move, then we will be ending the day with profit. So similarly similar to last week, we had a single direction move, and which means we would have ended the day with profit. So let us just go through what exactly happened. So you would have already seen that part pass by the video now. So when we started the trade, we did a short straddle at 33,200, and before we could enter the second lot, it already had gone to 33,300. So we started off with 32,200 and 33,300 and 33,200. So that's where we shorted the started doing short straddles, and then the market started shooting up. So when the market started shooting up, we would have kept a stop loss for each leg. For both CE and PE, we would have kept a stop loss, and the stop loss for CE triggered. And after this, we again entered at 1 o'clock. So this time we entered 500 straddles, and then again the stop loss further got triggered at 1 o'clock also. And at again 2 o'clock, this time we made a slight modification. Instead of entering one more short straddle, we closed down all the positions and created a fresh short straddle at 33,600. So if you see what exactly happened, in the first 2 trades, initially we went to a loss of almost 40,000 right after the first stop loss got triggered. And after that, when the market started moving in one direction, that is exactly what we want. So when that started happening, we started to recover profits we started to recover the losses, and we went to profits. So by the time I booked the trade around 2 to 5, we were at a profit of close to 66,000. And that's where I did a fresh short straddle at 33,600, and the market a close somewhere around 33,730. A 100-point move is not quite a big move considering the Bank Nifty's movement. 100-point, you can pretty much say it's again range bound itself. You don't consider 100, 120 points big in Bank Nifty. So when that happened, our profits increased from 60,000 to another 40 more thousand. So totally we ended the day with almost 1 lakh 4,000. So if you see the past 3 days, 3 days has also been profitable. Last Friday we had a loss of 50,000, but otherwise the Thursday had also been pretty profitable. We made around 5 lakh. So this entire month has been really good in option trading. We have been able to make over close to 13 to 14 lakh. So let's see how tomorrow goes. Tomorrow is very important because it's expiry day also. So we will see how tomorrow's trading also goes. And have been telling couple of times regarding investment. So you had a great chance to invest couple of days back, and those who have invested would have made some great money by now. Anyways, that is for today's video. And for people who were asking us, yes, we have changed our broker. So before we were at Goodwill, now we have changed broker to what is known as First Stock. So that's where we have, it's a Bangalore based brokerage. So we have changed this, changed the broker from Goodwill to First Stock. Yeah, so that's for today's trading video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And I will also be sharing tomorrow's trading video right after the trade. Thank you for joining.